ways of processing results for them. So now the next thing is to add these other ones manually. As you can see, I've added the scores, and I would have to save the scores I have added. Now I've saved the scores. I'm done. So now it's going to indicate that I have added scores for accessible for this class and student. So this basically is how to add scores to exam record, how to add scores manually, and how to import. So now I'm going to generate the two results to show you the difference. Now we have students that started from first term and we have students that started from second term, right? By default, the cumulative exam record is meant to divide the scores, the total scores, over 3. So we're going to go to exam settings and check this out. So from here you can see cumulative average is showing 3 here. Now in this class we have students that start from second term. By default it's going to divide everything over 3 instead of over 2. So we need to first of all go and set theirs to divide over 2 so it does not come out with wrong scores. Before we do that, I'm going to show us what the result looks like without making these settings. So we have Joseph Wisdom and we have Adetola Busayo. Joseph Wisdom started from second term. Busayo Adetola started from first term. So now I'll generate result for Busayo Adetola. So we are going to be checking for just accessible. So what we have here, we have term 1 100, term 2 100, test 1 20, test 2 20, exam 60, everything 300, right? Alright, so the cumulative average for first total 300, cumulative average 100. What this means is that if you calculate, or rather if you divide 300 over 3, it gives us 100, right? So basically this is correct. 300 divided by 3 gives us 100. It means that these students did first term, second term, and third term, and it is dividing correctly. Now let's check the other person's result. Wisdom Joseph. Let's open his results. So from here we can see Joseph Wisdom's results. Check accessible. First term he doesn't have any score. Second term he has 100. Third term he has 20. Test 1 he has 20. Test 2 he has 20. Exam he has 60. That is over total 200. Now if you divide 200 over 2, or divided by 2 rather, it's supposed to give us 100. But if you check this, if you check the cumulative average, it's giving us 66. That's to show you that it is still dividing over 3. If you divide 200 over 3, it gives us 66.67, which is what is here, which is wrong. So now we are going to set it correctly for it to divide well. So how do we do that? Go back, and then we go to traits, comments, and custom student settings. Then we select Wisdom Joseph, and then from here you see number of terms for cumulative. You just tap this place and then set it to 2, because this student just has 2 exam record on the portal. Once you set it, you you tap the tick icon at the top to save this. Once that is done, you go back to generate results, or generate report cards rather. Please note that any changes you make, do well to recalculate your scores, because if you check here, you see that Wisdom Joseph is having 46.11. When you recalculate the scores, it's going to change. He's now having 69.17. So now let's generate the result again to check for these changes that we've made. So from here now, let's check the associable again. So term 1 0, term 2 100, test 1 20, test 2 20, exam 60, total 200. Now 200 divided by 2 would give us 100, which is correct, which is what is here, cumulative average of 100. So basically this is how to add scores for students that started from first term and students that started from second term in the same cumulative exam record to get them their accurate scores. Thank you and do have a nice day.